Sarah was fascinated by Mars. In the past, many spacecraft had passed by the planet to study it. These missions had passed through space for months, crossing millions of miles to reach the red planet. Since then, rovers have even passed over its surface to find out what it was like in the past. I've used the word past a lot in this paragraph. In fact, I've used it 5 times. Did you notice that it has been spelt in 2 different ways? I've sometimes spelt it P-A-S-T and sometimes P-A-S-S-E-D. When words sound the same but have different spellings and different meanings, they are called homophones. Of course, the difficulty with homophones is knowing which one to write. In this tutorial, you will learn when to use P-A-S-S-E-D and when to use P-A-S-T. Let's get started. With past, think action. With past, think time or direction. Past is a verb. I passed the ball. Amanda passed her exam. Steve passed Darren just before the finish line. In each of these examples, past explains the action being performed. Past is a noun. In the past, people used horses to travel long distances. In this sentence, past refers to a point in time. Past can also be used as an adjective. Today, we learnt all about the past presidents. In this sentence, past describes the presidents. It gives more information about the time frame when those presidents were in office. Past can also be used as an adverb. The dog ran past. In this sentence, past gives more information about the direction the dog was running to. Past can be used as a preposition. The bus drove past our house. In this sentence, past shows the location of the bus in relation to the house. Finally, when you use the word past to describe the time, use P-A-S-T. In a nutshell, if you are writing the verb past, think action and use P-A-S-S-E-D. For any other use of past, spell it P-A-S-T. Let's see if you can apply what you've learnt. In the following sentences, which past is needed? In this one, we are talking time. In this one, we are describing an action. Once again, this one refers to time. Here, we are giving more information about the direction David was running. Whilst this is similar to number 4, here we are describing the action David was performing.